Hey grillers, Brad here from BB Grill Shack. Last week I showed you how to cure bacon, and I'll link that video at the end of this one. This week I'm showing you how to candy it. What's better than bacon? Candied bacon. Let's get started. All you need for this recipe is about a cup of brown sugar and some bacon. I'm using my home cured bacon, and I'll put a link in the description and at the end of the video to how to make your own home cured bacon. The first step is going to be to preheat your smoker to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, you want to line a couple of sheet or pans with aluminum foil and make sure that you have a wire drying rack to dry out the bacon at the end. The next step is going to be to line one of your cookie sheets with a layer of bacon. Using your brown sugar, sprinkle brown sugar over the top of all of the bacon. Use about a half a cup to a full cup. Now that you got your bacon coated, we're going to take it, put it in the smoker for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then we're going to check it and probably flip it around then. As an aside, you can use your oven for this as well. It's been about 20 minutes. The bacon's starting to look really good, so we're gonna flip it and wait about 15 to 20 more minutes, and then it should be ready to go. It's been about 20 minutes since we flipped the bacon. Now we're gonna check to see if it's done. We basically want to cook it as crispy as possible without burning it. And that's what the goal we're shooting for. So we're gonna check it out. If it's done, we're gonna take it off and put it onto our wire rack to dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's really important that after you take the bacon off of the cooking sheet, that you get rid of the aluminum foil. Otherwise, it's gonna permanently bond to your cooking sheet and it'll be useless. So let's go ahead and check it out. Oh yeah, these are starting to look really good. So we're gonna go ahead and take them off and put them onto our drying rack. They're really sticky. It's a good sign. There you go. It's gonna let them dry out like this and cool down for about 15 minutes until they get hard and not sticky to the touch. All right guys, we're done. I made stacks on racks of candied bacon. I wanna give you guys a taste test. So I'm gonna take this big bad boy, break it open so you can see the inside. Oh yeah. It's like bacon, but it's candy. It's awesome. All right, guys, have a good one. Catch you in the next video. If you haven't watched it, watch my How to Cure Bacon video. Like and subscribe. Intro, take 2.